Hi, I bought this portable carpet cleaner by Topped from Amazon. It did come with a couple of brush attachment, one large brush, one hose, one small brush, and it did include a trial size of a carpet cleaner. And it was all for $99. What a steal. Wow. We're going to try and put this together today using the instruction booklet that came with the unit. It seems pretty straightforward as there are not a lot of pieces. And we're going to start with putting the hose bracket on. Okay, there's a little snap. Okay, that sits securely in here. All right, so you can see that. That's okay. All right, now we're going to insert the hose hook. Okay, give it a little bit elbow grease here. Yeah, okay, so that's done. All right. Now let's put the hose in its proper place and we're ready to clean. I think it's well fixed, all right. Okay, we're going to put some water into the clean tank. I'm using hot water. And it says not to exceed the max line, which is right here. Okay. All right, let's see how this works. This did come with a super cleaner, which was very nice of them to include that. We'll see how that works. Okay, so we have the water here now to the max line, and we added some of the cleaning solution in there. Now we're going to lock this up. Okay, now we're going to attach the brush. So this goes like this into this. Okay. And I guess that's where you press this so the water comes out. All right, we'll see how this works. Let's plug it in. Not too loud. Ooh. Ooh, look at the dirt. Ew. Press this thing, see the dirty water? That's kind of nasty.